There was a time you were confused in the dark. Also, in such a stressful environment, you cannot go ahead resolutely. There was a time you expected everyone's attention on the stage, but in the beam of projector, you got lost. You have been striving to achieve your dreams. Finally, when the opportunity came to you, the darkness overshadowed your brilliance. Turn on the lights. Embrace the brightness. Provide immediate feedback. Relax to present. Take notes in a bright environment. Bring respect to every member. Restore all your creative ideas through impressive visual content. Rock with enhanced details. Deliver precise information. Innovative design and powerful manufacturing capability. Guarantee perfect quality. The latest technology and strict controls ensure excellence. Break all the shackles with creative thinking. Engage and access more through wider and multiple views. You will win the stage of the shining world.